so today we're gonna make chicken curry, but it's Indian chicken curry. And if you don't know me, my name is Moiya, and subscribe to How to Cook Great Food. And let's go with the ingredients. Hi, so today we're gonna make easy Indian chicken curry. So now we're here with the ingredients. This is chicken, and with the skin and the bone. Tomato and onion. So this is coriander, and some people call it cilantro. So this is curry powder, and my father made it, and the curry powder of my father made is the best. We have as well salt and fresh chili. This is garlic and ginger paste and oil. This is so easy. We're gonna put all of this in the mixing bowl. So we got a chicken in the mixing bowl, and now we're gonna put the curry powder, and we'll put all of them in next. This is gonna be easy recipe. This is chili. Salt. Garlic and ginger. Oil. So now we're gonna put the coriander, tomato, and the last one is onion. Perfect. Now we are gonna mix it with our hands. Everything's mixed, and don't forget to wash your hands, and let's go to the cooker. So we have the pan and the lid, and we have this curry not in there yet. I'm gonna let my father do it because it's hot, and let's go. So everything is in the pan, and we're gonna put the lid, and we're gonna cook it in 20 minutes.
Why are you shouting?
Because it's loud, and see you later. So it looks fantastic now, and we're gonna add some cold water. And now we're gonna cook it for 10 minutes.
That's it, and it's done?
Yeah. Okay, so it's done. We're serving it with rice. It looks delicious. And subscribe to How to Cook Great Food and How to Cook Great Recipe Vegan. And lots of love. Bye. So if you want to comment in my video, go to the community place and find a picture of me with this curry and the rice, and you can like the picture or comment, and we can look at your comments. Bye.